Karnataka. The Karnataka state government, ladies and gentlemen, is contemplating amending the KTTP Act to enable 4% reservation for Muslims under Category 2B for government contracts to undertake public work. If the state cabinet clears this amendment, the government tenders up to 1 crore rupees will have reservations for Muslims, similar to the one being currently provided for SC and ST contractors. Let me go across to my colleague Neha for more on this. Neha, what more details do you have after SC/ST quota? Is there going to be a Muslim quota in government contracts being granted?
Well, Shreya, what we're being told is that the government has maintained that, for now, of course, while this is still a proposal or it's still under consideration, this would only be for the smaller projects that are, in fact, less than about 50 lakhs or odd. Now, the reasoning, of course, that's come in for this is that, they want equality for all communities, especially the minority communities, and which is why this is something, of course, that's currently being considered. Whether or not this goes through and whether the Assembly, of course, gets an opportunity now to discuss this is something that, we'll really have to wait and watch out for. But, one thing that's quite certain is that the opposition in this front, hasn't been, soft on this matter. They've, of course, slammed the government over this as well, saying that this is nothing but appeasement of the community yet again. We'll really have to wait and see. The Assembly session in the state, of course, underway right now. What comes out of this? Is there some sort of legislation that's now passed in this front, even as the opposition would probably protest this on the floor of the Assembly? We'll find out shortly.
Okay. All right, Neha, thanks very much for joining us at the moment and getting us those details. So the Karnataka government now mulling reservation based on religion after reservation based on caste. With that, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a short break. News and updates will continue on the other side.